This is one smartwatch which I've ordered from Flipkart, and let's unbox this to see like what is the content inside. Let me unbox this. The box is little wet. I think it's raining and then delivery guy must have got wet. This is the billing address. Here's the box. So have a look at this. The MRP says 10,000. It says it has Bluetooth. It can track SpO2. It can track heart rate. It can measure blood pressure. It has multiple sports mode, sleep monitoring, call notification, and strong battery life. I don't know till what extent it is true. So let us just check this. By the way, this is Firebolt Hawk smartwatch. This is the manual. These are some cards. This is a charger. Let us have a look at this. It's a Firebolt. So by default this is a screen which it shows, and I think yeah, this is again the sensor needs uncover. These are all sealed, so I need to remove this sealing in order for the sensor to touch the screen and give the correct reading. And here is one more, so this we will remove as well. Battery is not, this is empty. These are all different apps. This side is are all like different parameters. Please turn on all the day heart rate in app. This is exercise, phone, blood pressure, SpO2, weather, shutter, player. So this is all it has. So it's lighter and a big tile. So it's too early to comment about this smartwatch, about the performance and the battery life, but then there are lots of videos online which will tell many versions about this watch. But to be honest, I don't know with calling how efficient this watch is going to be under 5,000. This is all under 5,000, and I just got this during Big Billion scheme. I got it for 3,000 rupees, and it says like there was a 10% cashback. So using ICICI credit card, you can avail that as well. So let me just wrap it. And of course I need to install one app in support of this smartwatch in order to get correct reading, and but it looks okay. And I think this other color belt and strips would have been much better. This looks little dull, but then the advantage is it won't look dirty for daily use.